Hello friends, Hastene Jobs YouTube channel noro jotono lamsogo. Fighting kesang tine Staff Selection Commission ni bising tine katal job notification alenai. Notification korka 20 August 2022 tarik no notification bising te stenographer grade C and grade D lajak nai. Fighting kesang full details nalenai. O job ni bagai online application starong nai 20 August 2022 tarik ni simina starong ka last date tong nai 5 September 2022 tarik jaratina tone application ni last date tong nai. Online fee payment ni bagai last date tong nai 6 September 2022 tarik jaraina job ni bagai computer based examination lajak nai November mase no lajak nai. Fighting kesang the Staff Selection Commission bising te computer based examination ni bising tina lajak nai post jak tongo stenographer grade C group B non gazetted and stenographer grade D group B no lajak nai. Job ni bagai vacancy details tau phana riya ko type total vacancy busuk tongnai category wise vacancy busuk tongnai full details ni notification phaike norokna e channel ni bisintina notification no phono gari nai. O post ni bagai age limit nai stenographer grade C ni bagai ke 18 to 30 years tera age count khlajaknai 1 tarik 1 mas 2022 tarik joratina age count khlajaknai tera candidates ongni date of birth jak tongo 2 tarik 1 mas 1992 ni simi 1 tarik 1 mas 2004 joratin ni jara date of birth tongnai o post ni bagai apply khlaimano stenographer grade D ni bagai hinke 18 to 27 years age count khlajaknai ke 1 tarik 1 mas 2022 tarik joratina count khlajaknai date of birth jak tongo 2 tarik 1 mas 1995 ni simi 1 tarik 1 mas 2004 joratin jara date of birth tongnai stenographer grade D post ni bagai apply khlaimanai. O job ni bagai category wise age realization jak tongo ST HC rongke 5 years te OBC ke 3 years PWD unreserved rongke 10 years te PWD OBC ke 13 years PWD HC ST rongke 15 years dina age realization jaknai tere kobang ma age realization details jak tongo ten ro kaham khena video ni description thane kaham khena nadi essential education qualification nangnai class 12 pass khajan nangnai te jara norok class 12 standard pass khaja tongnai ten ro post ni bagai apply khaimanai. How to apply o post ni bagai chung bahai ke apply khaina ke online mode ne apply ma khainai SSC ne official website jak tongo o website habina apply ma khainai. Online application form fill up khlai login nangnai color passport size photograph te photo ni size jak tongo 20 KB ni simi 50 KB ni bisingo tawna nangnai te norok ni photo 3 mas ni age kusam photo rei online application ma khaijani saja te norok ni photograph nangnai without tupi te chosma sara photo bujajak nangnai ni saja. Application fee nangnai general candidates oni bagai ke 100 rupees te women candidates and candidates belong to ST HC PWD ex serviceman candidates oni bagai ke application fee rana nangi hani sajak. Chini Tripura ni bagai examination center Agartala na rojak tongo sangke Agartala na exam marinai computer based examination ni bagai subject rojak tongo general intelligence and reasoning ke 50 question 50 mark general awareness ke 50 question 50 mark te English language and comprehension ke 100 ta question 100 mark ni tongnai te time duration jak tongo 2 hour 40 minutes mane 2 ghonta 40 minute teina norok time annai te computer based smooth exam ni bagai syllabus ni details jak tongo te norok video ni description thane kaham khenai nedi skill test in stenography ni details na lenai te norok shortlist computer based examination appear khlaimani poryo skill test for stenography ma khainai te skill test khaijaknai English or Hindi language ni bisingtina khaijaknai te narone time duration jaknai 10 minutes te 100 words per minute nangnai stenography grade C ni bagai obni leke stenographer grade D post ni bagai ke 80 word per minute ra tangna nangnai hinke friends noro o notification kaham ke naina musuke video ni description dro ang PDF na rirnai te noro video ni description thani kaham ke naina di hinke friends noro lugui mankana staff selection commission bisingtai je katal post stenographer grade C and grade D post ni bagai job ni notification o mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai Hastene Jobs YouTube channel subscribe khlai support khaidi.